I farm in northwest North Dakota and usually raise canola, peas, durum, and soybeans. I'm here at the farm show today helping out Alex with GCS, which stands for Grain Cleaning Solutions. I've purchased a grain cleaner about 5 years ago. I purchased a 1400 and to clean out vomitoxin we had in the durum and scab. And this is an excellent machine to clean out the vom. I've cleaned out a lot of bushels. I'd recommend this machine to anyone, especially if you've got grain to clean. Saves a lot of money, pays for themselves in a short amount of time. After I had it about 2 years, we've had so much vom we've had to clean out. I bought a larger one, a 2200, and that's been a fantastic machine too. I use it for also cleaning my seed, peas, and durum in the spring. It works great, and you save a lot of money that way. Both of them paid for themselves quite easily. They're easy to sell. There's a demand for them right now in the state of North Dakota with all the ergot that's going on. We're fortunate enough we don't have ergot this year, but I still have some leftover grain with some vom in it I still have to clean. But if I wouldn't have had this machine, I wouldn't have been able to sell a lot of my durum. Elevators don't want to buy it with the vom and the scab in it. So I believe in this product. Otherwise I wouldn't be here helping Alex sell them.